Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box unboxing for March. I'm going to dig to the bottom first to get the stickers and the card. So they always give you stickers with the essential oils so you can label the tops of them for easy storage, and then stickers to put on the containers for the products that you make. So that's really nice. Then there's several recipe cards. The first one being Eye and Cheek Tint. Has a recipe on the front. Sometimes the recipes follow to the back like this one. Other times there are additional information on the back about the company. The next one is a Citrus Joy Roll-On. That one probably smells really good. It has grapefruit and mandarins. It's probably a nice fruity smell. And then this one talks about their charity. So every month they donate to a different human trafficking charity, and they give 13%. So this one is called the Daughter Project. They've been rescuing women and children from sex traffickers. So I love that they always support different charities. The next one is a unicorn soap. So that is a soap base. Looks like we got some mica. Sprinkles are optional. A soap mold that I think I saw in there. That one, the recipe contains on the back, or continues on the back rather. Then we have Find a Rainbow Diffuser Blend. Note from Katie, who's the recipe formulator, on the back. Next, a pink tinted lip balm. On the back of that, a sneak peek at next month's box. It tells you what the essential oils are. Looks like we're getting tea tree, which is a favorite of mine. Some other goodies. And the last recipe is a DIY shave butter. And then my favorite card that you get, it tells you all the essential oils that you get this month, the uses, the general safety for them. They're safe for pets and small children. Lots of good information on there. So let's take a look. The essential oils we got are mandarin. Also got head soothing. Let's see what that is. Howood, lavender, frankincense. Cypress. And the last one, pink grapefruit. So the goodies this month, we have some of that soap base. Having a little container like that. Also have a silicone soap mold. Looks like a flower, that's really cute. And then our raspberry mica powder. Anything else you would use, your coconut oil or anything like that, or any containers, that all comes in your bonus box. You get it twice a year, so every 6 months. And I think it was last month that I unboxed it. So if you want to see what you get in that, make sure you check that video out. But if you're interested in signing up for Simply Earth, I do have a playlist below so you can see past boxes to kind of get a good idea of everything, and then a promo code below that will get you a gift card. So check out the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.